What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that from the swing traders standpoint we don't have enough confirmation, we don't have higher highs and higher lows, and right after I made my video we went even lower for about 5%. But right here with this increase in volume we have movement to the upside, and as you can see we hit this range of resistance that was resistant previously, and we hit it again and we couldn't break it to the upside. Instead of this we bounced back, but I have to say that this diminishing volume is quite good sign with this movement to the downside. And what should we expect next, I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news related to this company. First of all, let me show you that on the news section related to Palantir, we don't have much news. We have a bunch of new articles, and one of these articles is a defense of the $5 price target. This article was made by the same author than this one, and it was extremely popular article because it has 774 comments instead of about 100 comments for other articles. And I don't want to dive deep into this article. I don't think that it is interesting enough. I just want to pay attention on their latest news, and we have the news that was published just yesterday on January 14th, and it says Palantir introduces certification program to scale platform and empower customers and strategic partners. And let me show you this news in details, and here are the main bullets. The Palantir certification program will provide an opportunity for users to highlight their Foundry knowledge, skills and abilities, while their employers will be able to accelerate their transformation by identifying and scaling Foundry users. Palantir customers will be able to increase the impact of Palantir software by leveraging more of their IT and data support network in the Foundry operating system. Palantir aims to infuse operations with intelligence by setting standards for using data to help transform organizations rather than just modernizing them. With its certification program, Palantir is accelerating and expanding the productization of its approach. And I have to say that it is a very interesting point because with this program, Palantir's contract become even more sticky because all of the companies, all of the existing customers can use the Foundry for 100% because of this program. And let me show you this one. Foundry certifications are now available to existing Palantir Foundry customers and partners. Exams are available in one of 4 tracks: Data Engineer, Application Developer, Data Science and Data Analyst. Exam guides, including an outline of topics, relevant documentation and other study materials, will be provided to all candidates. And I have to say that next logical step will be the program that will be available for potential customers of Palantir. In this case, these companies will be able to take the higher benefits from the Foundry related to their products. So I think it is a very good sign, and it is a very good strategic move. On top of this news, let me show you that ARK Invest is still buying Palantir stock. And let me show you that on January the 12th they bought more than 628,000 shares. Next one, on January 11th they bought 67.12 thousand shares. Next one, on January the 10th they bought 591.5 thousand shares. And on January the 10th they bought 43.4 thousand shares. This means only within 2 weeks of 2022 ARK funds bought more than 2.6 million shares with a total value of more than $41.5 million. And I have to say that it is extremely bullish sign that a lot of institutional investors are heavily buying this stock. And let me show you that for now ARK Invest invested in Palantir within all their 6 funds, and the average price of their position are in the ranges of $21.28 to $24.73. This means $16 price point of Palantir right now is extremely attractive average price for you if you want to outperform the ARK Invest with the Palantir holdings. So I think it is quite good news, and that's why let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you the bigger picture, and let's switch to weekly time frame, and let me clean the chart. Right here we have this doji candle with increasing volume. This means despite of its red color, we have more buys and sells around the range of about $16, and this means the market for now is in undecisive phase with the price of Palantir right now. Let me switch to daily time frame. And right here, as you can see, we have this first touch of $15.5 mark. Then we had a huge bounce to the upside with increasing volume. And then we have another movement to the downside. And for now, we are forming the doji candle. So this means this asset is nearing its bottom, and somewhere near we might see a trend reversal. But so far, from the swing trader standpoint, we don't have enough confirmation, as I already mentioned, because we don't have higher highs and higher lows, and we have another bearish sign that we bounced from this range of resistance to the downside. And this means, depending on upcoming news from the Federal Reserve, and we all know that for now the Federal Reserve will rise the interest rates at least 3 times this year. This means for this type of stocks like Palantir and any other growth stocks, it will be at least 3 times of increasing bearish pressure to its price. And this means we have to be cautious. But from the investor standpoint, I have to say that every daily red candle is giving you even more chances to add to your position with the reducing of average price. So I think the fundamentals of this company is becoming more and more strong, and this means you can rely on this company in the long term, and this sell-off, really massive sell-off, is just an opportunity to enter your position. But I highly recommend you to do your own due diligence and to understand their business model and their upside potential, and definitely the downsides, because without the risks you cannot have any rewards. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!